Hello guys, I think the sound will be working right now. I guess. Hope it's working right now. Don't worry about the video, just worry about the sound. Sound only, check the sound if it's okay. Oh, okay, I just fix it. Hello all of you guys, Jay, Adisha, Yusuf, DJ, Artkov, Tony White, Alex, Artkov, and James, but with the numbers I always remember his name, and Tony White. A lot of people. Yeah, thank you very much. See, don't worry a lot about the video because it is I don't show anything, so the main thing is if you can hear me, that is the good thing. Okay, so I see hello JJ, Kaya, Vuma, hello, Wise Man. So most of the people are here, which is very good today. So I'll be just waiting just 1 minute or two until all the guys come, and then we can begin our session for today. So hello all of you guys. Hope you are having a good weekend, and we try to proceed with our subject of today, how to search for stocks. Okay, which is one of the main subjects that I teach in my training. Just for YouTube, how are you? Everybody is good, I guess, and everything is fine. So beginning with this, how to search for stocks, you know, each trader has a way to search for stocks according to what he understands in searching. Okay, some people, for example, they go to newsletter, and some other people, they send them stocks. This is called stock picks. Okay, so they say, okay, the other guys they understand well, they understand the market very well, so we rely on them, and then they give us a stocks, and we buy stock, and then we make money, and this will never go to work. Now I will tell you why it will never go to work. Because the provider of the training, he doesn't provide a training for you. It means he trains you to be independent. He tries to depend on him 100%, and this, for me, I don't like. Okay, I don't like that I or somebody else to be relying on somebody else, or another company, or another newsletter, or another TV channel, or another guru who say to him what will happen in the future. Okay, this is not what I am looking for. Now, for all my students, I want them to be independent from me. It means when I teach them how to search for stocks, for example, they need to learn the training, begin to practice. They can have my subscription for 1 month or 2 or 3, just to make sure they understand how to search, and they have a real practice. I practice myself, and I show them why I choose this, which criteria, and so on. So I will give you, in general and specific criteria, how to choose, how to select stocks, why we don't select this stock, which we select another one. Okay, so I'm giving you training to be independent from me. Okay, after 1 month or 2 or 3, you will be doing the same as I do without any help. So you understood the training and you begin to become an independent trader, and this is what I am looking for. Okay, now let's see if we have some question. Shashwat Shadha, he says, sir, Indian traders love you. You made you believe in ourselves and trust our own trading strategy. Thank you very much. Now, and if you don't believe that I have almost all my customers from, it means my traders, almost all my traders are from USA and from India. I have a lot of people who are following me from India. It just because when you begin to see the way I do business, it means the way I search for stocks, it can be applied in any market. Why? Because my trading is based on price. Okay, it is not based on the company itself, or on gurus who say news, or analysts, or the TV. Now, for me, if I tell you something, maybe you will never understand it. I don't watch any news or any thing about TV about the stock market, because I don't need them. Okay? All the information I need is in the chart. I look at the chart, I put my criteria, and then I have another criteria for selection. When I find a good stock, I buy. Okay? It doesn't mean that when I buy, it means that it is a sure thing. There is no sure thing in the market. So it is the momentum. I buy by the momentum because of my criteria. What's coming later, I don't predict. If you tell me, oh, Kareem, what do you think about next day when the market opens? What do you think about that? Is it good or bad? Or what do you think about, is there a bull or there is a crash in the market? I don't believe in anything. When I don't see something, I don't believe in it. So I act when there is information in the price. I don't want to predict, because anyone can predict. If I tell you, how would be the market on Tuesday? Because understand that Monday we have holiday, a Tuesday. Oh, you say the market will be good. Someone else say the market will be bad. Okay? So, who will win? It's just predictions. Okay? I have Fabiana Brito from Brazil. Yes, I have some. It means I don't say that I don't have traders from Brazil or from Europe or from Canada or from South America. No, I have students everywhere. Some countries that I have never heard of, and they send me emails. I should look at the map to see where is this country. Okay, so even is Australia. I have a lot of people in Australia, in New Zealand, in Canada. Where I have a lot in Canada, in Great Britain. Even in Germany, even in some people that they don't speak English, from Egypt, for example. Okay, Egypt, from Spain, from France, Netherlands. So, because my strategies are based on price, they don't care. It means when you go to your market, whatever is your market, you just do my criteria and you find stocks. Okay, that is the good thing about my training. You don't have to do with the news or the market news, or because if you go to that thing, understand you will have conflicting opinions. Okay, and I will when we are speaking, I will show you what is these conflicting things in my session today. Okay, just for YouTube, he said, just curious if the Indian and Brazil traders here are trading the USA stocks. Oh no, they can trade. See, all the countries in the world, if they have access like American stocks, they can do American stocks, or they do their own stock market stocks. It's not a big deal. But there are some people who prefer American stocks because we have the biggest stock market in the world. We have more than 10,000 stocks in the stock market. That's why a lot of investors, a lot of traders of the world, they are international traders. They are not living here. Japan, Australia, United Kingdom, France, even France, okay? They come here, they have American brokers, and they trade American stocks because the market is so big and varied. Whatever you want, you find, okay? You find gold companies, you find them. Oil companies, you find them. Technology companies, you find them. For example, Facebook. Do you find Facebook like in China or Japan or England? No, there is no. So Facebook is here. So people who want to, like, let's say to trade Facebook, it's here. You should have a broker here that links you to the market here. You can't buy Facebook in France, the stock market, because they don't have it. We have it here because the company is listed in our exchange. Okay, so this is just an idea how people you can trade everywhere. But the bad thing is some of the people who are living, they have a small stock market. I have seen stocks that have, let's say, 100 company. Okay, 100 companies, you know, they are few, they have few industries. Okay, some they don't like that. They like big and varied stock market. Okay, another question. Hello, Jose. How are you, Kareem? Master Swing Tank. Thank you very much, Jose. Thank you for being here with us. Shashwat from, I think from India, he say, no, I trade Indian stock market purely with price action. Yes, it's very good. See, whatever you trade is good. If you depend solely on a price, you can trade in a market. But if you begin to see news, to see that guru, you begin to see analysts, you will be in a mess. Because I will explain later in my session why there is conflicts. Okay? Yes. Just for YouTube, if you know, I have my own my first students. They were overseas and here from the beginning. Although my channel was very small, I have some students that I teach that I taught them one by one. Okay, from Australia, from Middle East, from Netherlands, from Singapore, even Singapore, you know, Malaysia, you know, a lot of traders, they find my channel, they like what I do, and they take the training directly. Before I made my training into videos, okay, before that. So the only way to get with me is to take my training live at that time. Okay, now if you depend on someone else, okay, but you don't understand how he come out with these ideas, with these stocks. Okay, let's say we speak about analysts. You go to a stock and you find the analysts, what they say about this stock company. Some they say buy, some they say hold, some they say sell. Now for you, what's the thing that you choose? Okay, because they depend on fundamentals, they depend on something. But in the stock market, it doesn't work always with fundamentals. Okay, a good company, it doesn't mean that it should have a good stock in the price. Sometimes good companies, but their stock is going down because investors are not interested in that company. Although it is good, but in fundamentals, but people, they don't like it. Okay, so it's that's why I always tell you that stock market is conflict of interest. when someone in the news, I have given you this example last there is a question from JJ. I trade all year. Do you think there is time to take a break? Yes, if you want to take a vacation, okay, you want to take a vacation, you just take a vacation and stop for 1 week or two, okay? But telling me that as you have read in some books, don't trade in summer because all the traders go to vacation. This is not true. This is not true, okay? Or buy in September and sell in May. This is, if you have read books before, they take conclusions for what happened in the past and they want you to follow what they say. But this is wrong, okay? This is wrong. A stock, when it moves, it doesn't wait you, it doesn't tell you that in September I will be going up, or in January, or in May, okay? So there is no, in the market, every day there is an opportunity for a stock or stocks to go up and to move into a trend. And this is what we are looking for, okay? So this is for the question for JJ. I think I have answered this question. And for me, I'm telling you, it's the whole year, 365 days I am in the market. Even if I go to a vacation, I put some stocks, I put stop loss, and I go for 1 week or two, and I don't see them. Because if they go to the stop loss, I exit. If they are going up, so I'm good. Okay, so don't worry a lot about going to a vacation or so, or you go to a vacation and there is a good thing happen. Each day there is a good thing that happened to some stocks. Okay, so don't base your trading on the whole market. Someone asked me a question. Hello, Vincent. Someone asks me a question. Well, what do you think about the stock market? Is it in a bull market or is it in a bear market? I say, see your stocks. If there is a trend, we are following trends in the stocks. We are not following the whole market. Okay? If you want to follow the whole market, you can buy indexes. Okay? You track the index and you buy them and you sleep. You don't, whatever the market gives you each year, let's say it gives you 5%, it gives you 5%. If the year is bad, it gives you minus 5% or 10%. If it is a good year, it can give you 15% or 10% or 20%. Okay? So this is the whole market. But for us, we don't trade the whole market. You can do, but we don't. Okay, because we are looking for opportunities for stocks to make trends. Now this is the time for trends. If you have a good trend like the stock that I am in, that's it what you need from a stock. Okay, it's just trending up and you make money from it. So here is a Wiseman. There is a question, Kareem, I just remembered the Robinhood trading app. There is no stop loss, only just the stop limit. Sorry, this is off topic. Yeah. See, Wiseman, I told you always to see the criteria of a good broker. Okay, criteria of a good broker. If you can't do like a stop loss with a stop order. Okay, stop limit, sometimes when there is a big move in the market, it will be overcome and you don't exit the trade. And this is what happened, and you can lose a lot of money. I'm telling you, limit order is not good for exiting the trade. I'm telling you, you will lose a lot of money because there is no guarantee. And understand, the market, they tell you, if you go to study to see what is a limit order, it means you ask the broker to send this request to the market. When the price reach that price, it will sell. But sometimes there are big orders that your price, the price jump over your limit order, and there is no exiting. That's why they told you, if you study limit order, they say there is no guarantee you exit the trade. They say it to you. You should understand this. Now, if you don't know, you should read about it, or you ask me private question. I will by email. I will help you with that. Okay. Wise men, it's okay. It's okay when you ask questions, general questions, because this is the main topic of searching stocks. But if you have questions, just ask. No problem with that. Kaya Vuma from South Africa, he said, I learned a lot from you, old videos. Thank you so much. I am from South Africa, try to learn how to trade American stocks. Yes, it's very good, Kaya Vuma, but understand that American stocks, they will be the same as South African stocks, because they depend on price. So they depend on price. It means the price gives you information of what is going into the stock itself. But if you see the companies, they will boost and they will say, oh, we are the best company in the world. And you see that stock is going down. If the stock is going down, that means the big investors, the mutual funds, are selling. If they are selling, it means this company has a problem. And maybe it go bankrupt. But they will never tell you until one day you don't find your stocks in your broker. And it happens to a lot of people, and they send me emails and they ask me my help. Oh, they say, I don't find my stock. I say, what did happen? I say, I have been with this stock 3 years, and today I don't find my stock, and they say the company go bankrupt. Okay? So understand that no one will tell you the truth until it is done. When the company is bankrupt, you lose all your money in that position. Okay? Understand that. There is no way they give you money, because the company is bankrupt. It has no money. That's why it gets enlisted, because it is bankrupt. Okay? So understand that. Just for YouTube, Karim, do you short stocks? Yes, I do. Sometimes in day trading I short stock, but most of the time I do like a trading level 18. I short the whole index. When there is a index is going down, I find a way and I short it, but not the selling short with borrowing shares. No. I will do with ETF, and it is this how to short the whole market or sectors or industries. You can check this in training level, if I remember, training level 18. Okay, how to short the whole market. You can just take a look, and you can go to my website. Okay, and then you can check. If you have questions, send me private questions for this. Okay, here is my website. Go to training level 18, how to short the whole stock, and read the description and the benefits, and then if you are interested, you will do it. You will just, if you have questions, send me private question, and I will explain more and more about this. But shorting the stocks, like swing trading, I don't do because sometimes there is good news, or there is something good, and the company have a gap up or something, I will be losing a lot of money. So I don't choose that. Okay, I don't like to be with those guys. Another question from JJ. When you are searching for stocks, what are you looking for? Ah, man, JJ. that is funny, JJ. The information, the specific information about my training, I will not discuss here in the live in the live session. Okay, if you want to know, you can either do the subscription or you can do training level 2. Okay, I will write here for you training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener, training level 2, or you do the subscription. I will show you all the training, how to search, what are the criteria. Okay, so JJ, try to see my training level 2, and if you have questions, send me a private question. I will explain. You can see videos or you can see ebook if you want a big discount. The discount is always there. Just check it, click on it, and then we can see. Should we start with the session now? Shashwat Chandla, you say, should we start with the session now? Yes, we are speaking about stocks, and they have been speaking. But Shashwat, when someone is asking questions, I should answer the question, and then I go back to searching for stocks, and it's like this, okay? Because if I leave, other people are asking questions, and I leave them, and I begin talk, and then I end the session, no one will get any benefit. Now, Wiseman has asked the question. People ask about the Robinhood trading app in past live stream. That's why I mentioned it. Do you only buy US stocks? Now, Mark, Mr. Karim, how long have you been a trader? How many years? Yes, I have been trading stocks since 2010 until 2017. So it's like 8 years. The MD Trader, oh hello, the MD Trader, I haven't seen you for a long time. I know you would be busy. Hello Karim, long time. I am so late, sorry, I have been so busy. No, you have just been late for half an hour. We haven't said that much. But even if you don't see, if you are late, you can check what we have said yesterday, half an hour earlier. You will find the video on YouTube. Okay, so searching for stocks, I told you that each trader has IDs. Okay, some people rely on newsletters from some people, but the problem is that they get stocks or stock or 2 or 3, but the problem is that they don't get a training. It means you don't know which criteria this guy is sending you stocks. And this is a real problem, because you are learning nothing. And making your money, you can make money, you can lose money, because no one knows what happened in the future. They don't give you this kind of probabilities that I offer. Okay? For me, in order to understand how things work, okay, you should see training level 5. Training level 5, how to make money from stocks. I give you the general concept. What is the concept? How do we make money from these stocks? I give you the concept that you should apply in your trading. Okay? Now, newsletters or some certain subscriptions that you have here and there, if they don't teach you how to do the thing, it's worthless. Okay? Because they don't train you to be independent trader. You always depend on them. Okay? And this is a problem. For me, I don't like this idea of depending on someone else to do business. You should depend on yourself, and you should learn how to do it by yourself, and to learn everything by yourself and practice until you become a good trader. Okay? Hello, Nasdaq SE. You say in one of videos that candlestick can tell direction of the stock. Yes, but it's not the candlestick. It's the criteria that you use. Okay? How come you take only one candlestick and it tells you when to buy, when to sell? Which candlestick? Okay? In order to understand which candlestick that you should buy, you should know the criteria, and you should know the criteria first, and then you apply them on the chart, on that stock chart, and then you will know. And there are other criteria again in the chart itself. There are some stocks that look ugly, that they are not nice. So probability of having a trend is not good. That's why I give you criteria in training level 4, just to know this kind of charts, okay, and what to look for in the chart. Okay? So candlestick by itself, it will tell you nothing, because you find one which is green, one which is red. So which one? Or which day you buy when you see? Okay? So there is really a problem. Now, hello Dakota girl, you are new here, welcome. So Vincent says, for your students that take your training, do you think you will do alerts in the future for any good opportunity out there? Okay, Vincent, opportunities are daily. So how can you send you opportunities when you see them daily? There are daily opportunities. There are sometimes when the market is good, you find 100 stocks that are good. So how this is not? That's why I'm telling you. That's why I'm telling you. You should learn by yourself, and you should do it yourself, depending on your money. If you have, for example, $5,000, you don't need mini stocks. If you buy one stock and it is good for 1 month or two, you don't need 1 month or two. You don't need to buy anything. So this kind of alerts and something, this is like the subscription that I told you before. Okay? So you don't depend on yourself. You will depend on me. Thinking that I will know the future of the stock. I don't know the future of the stock. I use probabilities. If the stock works, it's good. If it doesn't work, I exit it and find another one. This is how I work. That's why I told you, if you go to training level 5, it gives you the concept how I work. Okay? But it is a good question. It's a good question. You know, people, they don't have money. If you have 5,000, 10,000, if you buy one stock or two or three, and they are good for 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 5 weeks, why do you need alerts each day or each week, each month? It will not be feasible. And for me, when I find a stock, it should be at the end of the day, and you should buy it and put stop loss. It shouldn't be staying like the other day and then you buy it. Okay? So there is momentum. That's why I am teaching you the momentum. I teach you to search, find a stock, buy it, put stop loss, and that's it. According to your money. If you don't have money like 5,000 or 3,000 or 10,000, you can't buy that much. Okay? And if you buy 1 or 2 or 3, and they are good, you will be doing like me. Okay? I have this stock for 4 months. Okay? So when you go to my subscription or go to my training level 7, you see how I deal with the stocks. I am 4 months. It means that this money is locked to this stock for 4 months. Why? Because I'm getting more and more and more money. So why should I exit and find another one? And this is, I show you how to follow stocks following the trend. If you understand this, you will become an excellent trader, and you become just selecting the best out of the best stocks in the market. And if they go your way, and as they say, the trend is your friend, if you are right with the trend, that's it what you want to do. You don't need to do other things or to ask someone, what do you think about this stock? You don't ask anyone because you know what to do. Okay. Just for YouTube, they say all the gurus in trading are seen displaying fancy cars but never share their techniques except you, the rigor. Thank you very much for just for YouTube. See, I have seen a lot of people who are really rich because of their parents. I see one who is I don't tell names, but I see someone like 21 years. I am sure his father is a millionaire. Okay, and he showed his the cars that his father bought him, or the house of his father. You know, for me, you know, this is a personal life. Okay, for me, I want to let the traders understand the business in a professional way, to find stocks and to follow this kind of stocks, to make money from them. This is my job. Okay, this is why I teach, and that's why I make like try to make independent traders. If I want to, I will never show you anything, and I will send you one stock or two, and I will never tell you what to do or how to search or how to follow stocks. I would never do that. Okay, I can't do that. I can stop everything right now, and I say next week, okay, there is only subscription, and I will not do videos on YouTube. I will just show my cars or where I live and having fun with a lot of girls, as the people do. That's it. What the people like, because this is the way people get raised in the USA. Okay, this is the way the thing is. Okay. Kaya Vuma, do you recommend StockWix for searching stocks? I don't know what's this StockWix, StockWits or something. I'm just explaining to you that if someone sends you a stock, it's for you, Kaya, from South Africa. I think from South Africa, right? If you don't know what you are doing, if someone sends you a stock and they say buy, is this what you are looking for? This is not a way to become an excellent trader or good trader. You should be independent. You should learn how to do it. Like there is a Chinese proverb that says, "Don't give me a fish, but teach me how to fish." Okay? They want serious traders want to learn how to do the business by themselves, how to search by themselves. They don't need help. They are not disabled people in order to need help. Yeah, they need help for training, but after that it will be easy because you know what you are going to do, how to buy, how to search, how to follow the trend. It will be a piece of cake because you know how to do it. And this is what the people are looking for, those people who are serious. And most of you guys, I know that you are serious to become independent traders. You don't need me. Next time you understand everything, you begin doing your business, you make money in 1 year or two, you make money. That's it. That's it. My aim is to make students like this. Okay, I don't like that I send stock picks to some people and they're waiting for me each day or each week, and it's just a waste of time. So Kaya Vuma, I am against these stock picks. Whatever is the website, whatever is the guru, whatever is the TV that you are following, because even TV, they ask you what to buy. They say, oh, this company is excellent, and he will give you fundamentals, and he will give you this and this and this. This is advertising, and they are paid to tell you what they tell you. Understand that the stock market is a place for money, to make money. It's not a place they give you a free information. Okay? Do you think that this guy who tells you that this company, he knows something, or do you think he will give this information for free to the public? No. That's why he is paid. All the guys that you see, they are paid They are workers. It means they have a job to tell you, and they ask him what to tell you. But because he is famous, he influences traders and investors, and people follow him. Okay? And sometimes they lose money. When they lose money, it's okay, it's just something. Nasdaq, he says, how to know that the stock is approaching 52-week high? How to know that the stock is approaching the 52-week high? I don't know. I don't know. You see, Nasdaq, you are asking questions that are maybe related to my training, so I will not give you more information about that, because this is part of my training. I train and I give the criteria to search for stocks, so I can't talk about specific way to do it. Okay, so Dakota girl, think or swim. Yes, yes, Dakota girl, yes. Think or swim. It's but you should know how to swim in the ocean, because you get drowned and you die from this. So it's very okay. Let's see. Okay, Nasdaq. So I have a lot of questions, so I will try to be very quick to answer them. Nasdaq says, one of the videos you said that if the stock passes the resistance in an opportunity to buy, if the stock is higher, low. Yes, yes, I give you general information, but I will not give you the other criteria to buy the stock. Okay, because this is a part of training. It is a paid training. I train people, so I don't train people for free. So Nasdaq, you can go to my website. If you want just ebooks, you can find you will find training level 2 in ebooks, and there is a discount, 80% discount. You can order this and you study. Then if you don't understand, you send me an email and we'll discuss you in this in private. So I'm not going to give you information about the training here. Okay, so another question: what platform do you use for trading? Now, what do you mean by platform? Do you need a broker, or do you need a chart, or I am now with E-Trade, because I was with Option House and it was sold to E-Trade. So I am with E-Trade right now. You talk about momentum in one of the videos, but momentum need an indicator. No. Nasdaq, I don't use indicators. I use simple things that has nothing to do with the indicators. When you go to do the training, you will understand what's this, but no indicator. I don't use indicators to do my business. Okay. From searching, from buying, from selecting stocks, from putting stop loss, from following the trend, from exiting the trend, all the trade, I don't use indicators. So rest assured that I don't use this kind of things. So if you want to know, you can just order the training and begin training for sure. Okay. Wise man said, Kareem, do you only buy USA stocks? Yes. Yes, we have more than 10,000 stocks. Why should I go to another country and buy other stocks? Okay? So I don't. Here we have enough. We have billions of dollars here, so I don't need. That's why I told you, USA market is the biggest stock market in the world. So why should I go to other countries? Okay? Because if you go to other countries, you are following news. You are following people speaking about companies like this. Okay? And this, for me, I I should make sure that the companies are here, are American companies, USA companies, or it means they are get listed here. Like for example, if you want to buy, for example, Alibaba, it's just an example. It is listed here in America, so I know if I want to know if this company exists or something, I would know. But if it is a company that it is like, let's say a company in Netherlands or in France, or I have no idea, man, and it will be a lot of trouble. Nasdaq, when you look to any chart, there is too many resistance on support line. Which one to rely on for on schmuck? Yes, Nasdaq. What did I tell you? You are asking the same questions. You are asking for details. Nasdaq is like a good guy. Okay, Nasdaq. All your questions you are asking about details about my training. So I will not answer that. I answer when you are my student, you order the training, you study it, you begin to work, and then we can discuss more details. So I'm not going to answer things related to my training. Okay? So, another question. DJ says, probably that tricky guy. So I don't know which guy. It's just, you know, it's just people who are online. They show off, and you see what they propose, like in their videos. You find this everywhere. They go to indicators, they look at someone else, and they make the same, and they will show you that he knows how to trade. But this is not gonna work. Okay, this is not gonna work. Mark L, he says, lol, those traders do show off all that they have, like the money, cars, and women. Yes, they, you know, it's just to influence people to take the training or to take whatever, but they don't show you nothing. And whenever you go and you apply, you find the training, maybe you find it the same as a broker, which is free. Okay, go to your broker, he will have the same training that those guys are having, and they will show you what to do, like brokers teachers, which is free. If you go to your broker, you find the training that it is free. But the problem is that those people, they don't trade. A broker is, you know, his money coming from commissions and fees. It doesn't come from trading. Okay. Vincent said, I read some of the trading books out there, but most of them give general strategy, but it doesn't give you the details. That's why I like your training. It's like the detail that it is the most important thing. Yes, Vincent, in books, most of the, even if they are big traders, they are very famous and they have made a lot of money, they don't want to give you everything, but they want just to sell you who they are. Like when you see someone who is famous, okay, you go to buy his book because he is famous. This is the first thing you are buying his book, because if he is not famous, you are not going to buy his book, because you are influenced by the media. And the media, it's a business, okay? It's a business. They want to make money from these books. So they try to advertise for this person and make it him big and big and big and big. And then when you read his book, you find nothing. You find just generalities, or some people, they say, buy in September, sell in May, don't buy on Friday. You know, they give just funny advice that when you that it is like a stupid advice when you go to stock market. It doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work. Nasdaq, it says, what is your average return? My average return is from 40 to 60. This is what I do. All traders say that the new state high is powerful. Okay, Nasdaq, don't speak about these things, because I will not speak about them. You are asking the same questions from the beginning of the session. Nasdaq, you want to know how I trade? You should follow me. Now, if you want just like general information, I am giving you general information. Okay? So you are asking about details. Now details I will not show here. Even all of the people are here are my students and we are speaking, but there are some who are not, who are just following me and they take some good information about me, but they are not my students. But it's okay. I try to give as much as information for the people. But if you get serious, you want to do something and you want to go serious, you should at least begin your training. Just for YouTube, only thing that will make the subscription gate, in my opinion, would be the live stream with the subscribers, even if we discuss only the first 3, 4. Yes, see, just for YouTube, please send me an email if you have ideas. I will try to do it in the future, but right now with YouTube, it doesn't work good with YouTube. You see the video doesn't work good, and there might be something else. So what I ask you, YouTube, is to send me, as usual, to send me an email, and you tell me if you know something that it is reliable, like for doing the video thing, and we can check that. Okay, I am here. I can accept your suggestions, whatever you say, but we try to see if it is valid and if we can do it, because as you can see, YouTube and Google Hangout, they are not good. You see the video doesn't work. We have only the sound, so it's very hard. Okay, I don't know how to do it. Let's see. So just for YouTube, please, as you might know, send me an email and we can discuss this. If you have an idea, or you are into video or thing production, or you know something, you can tell me. Kaya Vuma, thank you very much. Thank you. Shashwat Chandla, which training level teaches completely how to screen stocks for keeping in watch list? Okay, this in you can check. You can check training level 2. Okay, training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener. Or if you want to do it manually, you want to do the thing manually with the stocks, with indexes, you can check training level 3. Okay, or you can do my subscription and you can cancel at any time. You can do my subscription, let me write this, and you will get 4 training for free. Okay, please send me an email if you are confused. Okay, send me an email and I will try to help you. Okay, this is my email and my website. Okay. So Shashwat Shadha, please go to my website, check training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener. Click on it. You will or you can say learn more. There is a link which says learn more. You will find all the information about this training. If you are confused, just send me an email, and after we finish the session, later you ask me an email and I will answer you and I will show you. Okay, you said I meant my broker. Sorry, I don't know which DJ said, but no problem. You said if two Baba and Abba have similar chart, how did it happen? I have no idea what's this, but I will I will look at them, but I don't know if they have the same chart, or I have no idea. GAN trading is useful. Hemorrhage Solanki, welcome welcome here. Now, see, I don't use indicators. Believe it or not, I have used them when I was beginner, but it doesn't work. They are lagging indicators. They give information that you can see without them, so they don't give you nothing special. That's why we have more than 300 indicators. Each year someone comes with another indicator. It's just some math things, and they put it as an indicator, and the brokers are really happy because they have new indicators always. So the chart, if you want to put 300 indicators in the chart, how the chart will be looking like, okay? You will understand nothing. That's why when you see my chart, you find it clean. There is no this rubbish of indicators, nothing, except for resistance line, support line, or other criteria that I use. Okay, so you find it clean. Now, so Hemorrhage Solanki, I don't use indicators. So, okay. Now, okay, I will send you an email and you will discuss this. Yes, thank you very much, Shashwat, because you can just go to my website, check everything, send me an email, and I will help you more into details. Okay. Wise man said, Nasdaq Kareem paid trading is very affordable. He offers discounts often, but you will lose a lot of your money in the stock market without his trading. Yeah, you see, you will pay thousands of dollars in years and you will never know how to trade. This because if you continue to do the same mistakes, how can your performance change from a loser to someone who is making money? Okay? And it's not only me who is doing training. You can find any other training, whatever. Even if you go to your broker and he teaches you for free, it's an option if you don't have money. But if you don't have money, you can't trade in the stock market. Okay? So I don't know what's your situation, but every person or everyone has a situation. Okay? Michael Dillon. Oh, okay. Hey, Michael Dillon, please don't put stocks and ask people to buy here. Sorry. 20 years experience. Okay. So, Michael, I'm sorry. Don't put stocks. No, don't try to help. There is no help with giving stocks. Okay? No help here. Okay, Michael, I am not. I will delete your thing. I will not ban you, but I delete what you wrote, and please don't take it bad. But I don't want that here. You can go and make your own channel and you help other people. Thank you very much. I don't want this here. Even my students, when they put stocks here, I don't like it. Okay, so no, you are not trying to point out the obvious. You are proposing a stock to buy. Okay, this is not good, man. No. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue with this. You can, Michael, you can make a channel and you advertise for your training. If you have a training, that's good. Okay, that's good. But in order to come here and to say do this and don't that, no, it will not happen. Okay, thank you very much. Now, yes, no. Okay, we don't go through this right now. Okay. Mario Johnson, hello Mario. He said, how did you learn to trade stocks? Okay. It takes me years. After losing the first year a lot of money, it takes me 1 year. I stopped after I was making money with the day trading, and then I lost a lot of money. And then it takes me 1 year studying until I begin to reconstruct a strategy. And then when it works for me, after a few years, it means I tried for many years, not just 1 year. I tried for many years, and then I do the training, and then I help other people. Okay, so this is what I do. Now, Hemraj Solanki, please go to my website and you see all the training, and then there is a discount. There is a discount when you click on the training. You find a discount. If you get, for example, you get misled, you don't know, send me a private message. Here is my website and my email, and then we can speak about that. Okay, here is my website and my, you find it in the on the bottom. Hamraj, in Indian currency, no, I don't do forex or currency pairs. No, I don't do. I do only stocks. So if you are looking for forex, you can see someone else. Okay, so I will just tell you I am specialized in swing trading in stocks. This is what I do, and this is what I teach. Okay. Thank you very much, Michael Dylan, for accepting my request. Thank you very much. Rasta FHL says, any tips to begin swing trading as a beginner? Yes. My tip is to take the training. You can begin, there are levels. You begin with level 1 until level 10, and you study level by level. Okay? This is the tip I give you. There is no tips, try to see the sun. If it is a sunny day, buy the stock. This is not a tip that I will tell you. So this is a training if you are serious. If you are serious to become a trader, you should go to a training, study and practice. And you need more information, more explanation, I will do it by email. Okay? By email I will do it, and I will answer as much as question as you asked. DJVA, he says, what's the minimum price you would pay for a stock? I can buy any stock, but I am not into cents stocks or $1 stocks, or I am into smaller stocks to bigger stocks. Okay, so any stock that I like, I can buy. So it has no minimum or maximum. Okay, so whatever stock is good for me, I will buy it. Vincent says, did you lost a lot of money from day or swing trading? No. At first I was doing day trading. I make money, and then I lost it all at the end of the year. It's just because things change, and I just try anything. I tried indicators. I try to see some people asking meetups, going to seminars, and I find all the people, they just have opinions about the market. Okay, so, and they have strategies that it is in books, or strategies that are online. Okay, so they do the same, but they can't answer you special or questions. My question was, why the stock goes up or goes down? So if you ask this to someone, all the people will give you different opinions. But for me, I will give you my opinion and how things work and why. And this is why my training is based on price, So I'm not going to give you fundamental price. It means about the company, about the news, about what happened to the Fed, what happened to the interest rate, and I will begin to explain what happened to the stock. No, I will not do that. I have my own explanation that you see in my training. Shashwat Shandha, you say, I sent you an email. Please do reply whenever you read that. Yes, I will do that when I finish the session, because I can't stop the session and do an email. But thank you very much. I will try to do that. And when I answer you, I will give you all the information you ask. But please go to my website later when you finish and try just to take a look what training are you interested for, and then we can discuss. Just for YouTube, did you follow any of the gurus in the beginning or started the training all by? No, I don't follow any guru, because no one can answer my question. Okay? Even I read books, no book is giving me answers. If you go to swing trading books, you will find all full of indicators. And understand that if you are using an indicator, it is a strategy by itself. They don't tell you why. They give you just a result. For me, I don't want a result. I don't want you to tell me, oh, this stock has gone up or go down. I want you to tell me why. Okay? And not related to fundamentals of the company. Because if you begin to say gold has raised, it means the price of gold is going up. It's just because gold it is very important and it is scarce and all the companies are using it, and the cell phone are using it, the fridge is using it. This is stupid. This is a stupid answer or explanation to a stock. So for me, I don't use that explanation. I will tell you why from the price itself, because the price doesn't lie. Okay? Thank you very much for all your questions. What's gap trading strategy? No, I don't have a strategy for the gap. Nasdaq. There is no gap strategy for me, because the news can be bad, can be good, and then we have gap up or gap down. So you will never know. Now, what is the pre-holiday effect on stocks? I don't know. For me, I don't follow holidays or news or what the people say. I see the stock, I buy or I sell. Okay? So holidays or not holidays is the same for me. How the Fed affects stocks? No idea. No idea. I'm not looking for news or following the Fed what they say. Because if it is easy, the Fed says good news about the market and the whole market goes up, it will be so easy and everybody will make the money. But the problem is not stocks are going up and down each day. So where is this Fed information? There is no, it doesn't exist. Because even if the stock market is going good, there are some stocks who are going bad and going down. So what affects the stock? It's not the Fed or the fundamentals of the company. Okay? So try not to, if you are going to find this kind of things, you will never know how to trade, because you are having your head full of news and information that will never help you trade a stock, because a stock is an individual. It's unique. It has nothing to do with the Fed or with the whole market, because sometimes the whole market is good, but you find that stock that you buy go down and you lose money. So you understand that there is something behind. Now this something behind, that's what I am explaining, but in my training I will not explain here, because it is training thing. Now Hamraj asks, sir, actually I'm just asking about your course fees in Indian currency. Oh no, I see, I have no idea. when you see, you should see the price. You click on you see the discount, and then you see price in you see the price in dollar, and then when you want to buy, it will show you, I don't know, or you can just check it yourself, how much is a dollar for your currency, rupees, I guess. Okay, so check what dollar, how much is a rupee, and then you can decide if it is good for you. If it is, if you think that it is not good for you, you can see ebooks, because it is 100%, 80% discount. Okay, and we have exclusive 70% for videos for this weekend, today and tomorrow. Okay, so you can check that, and you see the how much it costs, $1 for rupees, and then you can decide. Okay, thank you very much, Hamraj. Thank you. What's the slope performance trend? I have no idea. I don't use indicators, so I'm sorry. You can just go Google it and go to Wikipedia or Investopedia and see what is it. But for me, I am not following a trend indicator. Okay, I have my own criteria. So it's Nasdaq. It's something else. I don't use it, and that's why Nasdaq, I told you before, I am not using indicators. Okay, so whatever you ask me about indicator, I'm not using it. Nasdaq says, do you have strategy that tells short stocks that on? Oh, he began to use the same. Oh, okay. Short stocks. No, I have training about selling short. It's training number 11. How to sell short a stock. If you want to know how to do that, if you want to learn how to do that, you can take this training, which is training level 11. Okay, so this is the information I can give you. Do you agree that buy 52-week high and short 50-week? Oh, okay, man, I don't know what you are doing. What are you? You are asking something. I told you, Nasdaq. You are asking questions about my training. I will not answer your questions because they are very, very detailed questions. Okay. Bullish on golfing at resistance 50% correction in about, man, what you are doing this Nasdaq? What you are doing? What's this thing that you are coming up? I have no idea what you are talking about. Okay, so please, please, I have no idea what you are talking about this Fibonacci and resistance. I don't use them, so I don't know. So don't ask me something that I don't know and I don't use. You can go to any website or any Google this and you will know. But for me, I don't use it. Okay. So hello, incredible product. It's a long time I haven't seen you here. We have been 1 hour and 16 minutes. You are not here. Hi. You can't find shares to short by looking the way Nasdaq would ever. No, he see incredible product. He is asking a lot of questions about indicators and about resistance line and the other stuff, and he wants to have information how to trade. I am sorry. I don't give information or training for free. That's the thing. Is your strategy secret? No, it is not a secret. Nasdaq, when you take my training, it's not a secret because it is a paid training. It's not for free. Okay, that's why in the market we say there is no free lunch in the market. I give discount. If you want to order, there is a discount, big discount. You can try it. If it is good for you, you continue. If it's not good, you just find another person to teach you. Yes, yes, it is cheap, but I don't know. This guy is asking a lot of questions, and I told him that he should check my training and see if it's good for him. Yes, hello, Christopher de Guzman, how are you? We have some people coming late, like Christopher, like Credible Product, like the other guys, but no problem. Good morning. Yes, here it is like good morning right now. We are on Sunday. It looks like Sunday. So, to continue speaking about how to search for stocks, for me, I have special criteria about the price. Okay? When I see the chart, I put my criteria and I have another criteria and I select stocks. So I don't use what most of the people use. I don't use indicators. Because the people, they can't trade, they use indicators because they have no way to search for stocks using other things. They don't know. And this is what they know because they get taught by other people online how to use these indicators and understand that an indicator is a small strategy by itself. So they don't tell you why you buy here or why you sell here. They just tell you, oh, buy and sell. No one is stupid to buy because the indicator tells me to buy. An indicator, it is not a person. It is something automated. Okay? It's automatic. It's based on strategy. If this strategy is false, you will buy and you will lose money. Okay? So I am not using what's these 3 myths that you talk in your video? Okay, Nasdaq. Later you can go to my description and you will find the answer because I have written the 3 myths on that description. So go to the description, Nasdaq, to that video, and you will find it written and you read them. If you have question, you can ask, no problem. Okay? So I did it last time, but last video, I guess, which is very good. Nasdaq, you said in your videos that mutual fund buy. Don't you deny that mutual funds use fundamentals to buy stocks? Don't you deny that some of the fundamentals that made rally? Okay. Now, some mutual fund, they don't really buy on fundamentals. Okay? They don't buy on fundamentals. And second thing, if you know that if you know what is a good company, go and buy it. Don't rely on the mutual fund. Why are you going to rely on mutual fund? Mutual funds, they buy whatever they like. It doesn't mean that they can use anything to buy because they move the market. Because if they buy that stock, it will go up because they have a lot of money to buy. Okay? It doesn't mean they rely on, I don't deny, they can see fundamentals, they can see technical analysis, they buy from support line, for example, on the bottom, and they push the stock to go up. Okay? And the other people are coming, and they buy again, and we have a long trend. But you, how do you know that they buy that stock? Tell me, how? Are you going to check for big companies? Okay, big companies, they go down. So, the mutual fund, they sold them. Why they sold a good company? Because they buy and they sell. They make money, they sell. So you are in the vicious circle, always trying to find why, but you will never find. Because you don't know the criteria that to search for stocks. Okay, so this is the good thing. Yes, I speak about sector or industry rotation in my videos. Now I will explain to you Nasdaq, what does it mean. This I have it in. If you are interested in this training, It's the same as training level 2. It's training level 3. Now, what is it, this training? It is called how to search for stocks using an index, an industry index. What does it mean? Mutual funds, sometimes they buy some industries and they sell other industries. That's why some industries go up, some industries go down. And it is a mess in the stock market. It is chaos. They don't tell you when they buy and they don't tell you when they sell. So in order to know what is the momentum and how to search for these stocks, you should go through my training. Either level 2, training level 2 or training level 3. So there is no way you find this information that I use, you find it online for free. You don't. Because they don't trade the way I trade. Okay? So Nasdaq, industry rotation, what does it mean? Mutual funds, sometimes they buy some industries and they leave the other industries. Although the other industries they sell, they are very good companies. That's why stop thinking about these fundamentals. It doesn't work. Because why they sell them? Why in the market we have a sell-off in the market? Okay? Why? It's not because of fundamentals. The companies are good and they are making good money. So it's not because of that. You are maybe thinking about investing for the long run. Yes, you should find the companies, fundamentals. This is called investing. I am here not to speak about investing. This is a swing trading. This is trading. And you should understand the difference. Okay? Kaya Yuma, what do you think about cryptocurrency stocks like Bitcoin, for example? No, see, I am sorry. I don't do cryptocurrency like Bitcoin because you will never know what is it and what is the source of this Bitcoin. You will never know what is it. But if you, I'll give you an example. Let's say you go to Facebook and you buy some shares of Facebook. You know Facebook, and it is a company in the USA. It is a social media. It is the biggest social media. You know that it exists. But Bitcoin, what is it? Tell me what is it. Go online and search. No one will tell you what is it. Okay? So it could be $100 today. Tomorrow you will find it $1 and all your money is gone. But who take your money? No one knows. But stocks, at least you know that there is a sell-off, there is shorting. You know what's going on in the market. You have an idea. You can go online and you read. But Bitcoin, if there is a sell-off, or there is, how do you know? You are doing dangerous things because you put your money into something that you don't understand. Even the source, what is it? You don't know. Go to Google it. You will never find what is it. Okay? It's very, very hard, this stuff. Oh, no, I'm sorry. You say, why hedge funds short small companies at earning dates? No, you see, hedge funds, they can short, not just in earning days, they can short whatever. Because they have a lot of money. And if someone is selling, like a mutual fund is selling the stock, they short it also, and they will make a lot of money. But it's not always they make money. They can lose money because mutual fund, they are buying, and the other hedge fund is shorting a stock. He will be like smashed, or he will be crushed by a mutual fund. A mutual fund manager, he has a lot of billions of dollars to buy. Hedge funds, he can have a lot of money, but it is not the same. Okay? So understand that. Hello, Bruce Lamb. Snapchat, bye. Oh, okay, Bruce. We should not use stocks in this chat room. I don't buy stocks because they are known, or they are very known, or okay. So Bruce, please don't put stocks in the chart, because I will just delete it. I will move it because I don't like stocks here. Someone was doing the same and I stopped his. I don't stop you, but I stop. I don't. I stop when you put a stock and you ask if it is good or bad. Karim, as you mentioned that when mutual funds buy, it pushes the stock price, but then most of the time we see news, some big mutual fund, big guys buy the XYZ stock. Do you think news are reliable? Yes. No, they are not reliable, man. This is an advertisement. Do you think that, no, by the law, he can't tell you when he buys, but you will know when he sold after 2 months or 3 months. It will be published that a big mutual fund has sold millions of shares. It will be published after 2 years, after 2 months or 3 months. You will find the information, but he will never tell you when he is buying, because you can make money. And this, the market, no one will tell you a secret, because it is related to money. No one talks when they buy. Incredible Product say, but why hedge funds are allowed to short but not mutual funds? No, it is fair. Incredible Product, who makes the stock market? It is the mutual fund managers. Now, if they sell short, the companies of America will disappear, and we have the biggest crisis in the world. That's why they don't let them short the stock. Okay? Shorting the stock, they can't do that by the law. But it is fair, it is good for us. Because if they short everything, who will make the stock go up? You are funny. You are funny, incredible. Your question is funny. It's very good that you ask me this question. Okay? Now, hedge fund, when they short, they have little money. They can do harm some stocks in some time. Okay? They do harm because they harm the investors. They come to a stock which is small, like $15 or $10, and they hit it. So from $10 it can go to $1. So all the investors lose their money. Okay? And it is not good. That's why the government doesn't let mutual fund by the law not to short the stocks, which is good for us, for the stock market. Because if they do short the stock, no stock will appear. All the stocks will be what we call bankrupt. All the companies go bankrupt because you will take all their money. Okay? They will not exist in the stock market. So I understand that, and it's good that you asked me this question, and thank you very much. Incredible Product. Victor says, don't do this, Bruce. Yes. I just tell him, I just tell to Bruce, don't put stocks, because the people here, they think I say yes, buy this stock or sell. No, I am not here to advise people on to buy stocks and they put them on the chart. No, I don't. I am not a financial advisor. You should go to a financial advisor and ask him what stocks to buy. For me, I don't. I teach you how to find yourself the stocks. Okay? Nasdaq say, why Gold Sachs show that stock going up and then they spike it? I have no idea what you are speaking about. Most of the brokers or the people who they buy for their customers, they don't show you their stocks. But if they stay many years, yes, they will put this information they have already bought. They don't say, I am buying. Because when they are buying, the trend will be going up and up and up. So they don't show you this. Because if they show you this, you can make money also. You can just follow them. And they say, oh, tomorrow I will buy a stock. Please follow me. Okay? And then tomorrow you buy the stock and the stock is going up. And then you make money. Okay? So it's like a funny story. Do you think that these brokers are stupid to tell you some information like this? This is a secret of the market. They will never tell you, stop searching. You are always asking for questions, searching for information that you can't have. Okay? The training, yes, you can have it. I will show you what to do. I will teach you, you practice, and then you will know what to do. But big guys, they will never show you what they do. Okay? So just for YouTube, he says, if they are 10% holder of the company, they have to report to SEC. Yes, you are right. You are right. Just for YouTube, I don't know what is the percentage, but big positions they will show, because 5% or 10% or 7% is too much money. Okay, if the company is let's say is $500 billion, if you buy 10%, it's too much, man. Okay, it's 25 billion. It's a big position. So the investors should know who are the big holders of this company. Some people, they like it because when they buy, they think that these big guys, it's their interest that the stock will be going up, then going down. So you trust these people, but understand that these people will sell at any time. Okay, and they will leave you alone with the stock, and this is the problem. That's why for us, we are doing following trends. We are not investing in the company. Yes. Nasdaq, yes. This I show you to understand. I do it in training level 13, how to buy from support line. But it is a difficult strategy. You should be advanced to do this. It's not easy, because who knows what is the bottom of the stock? How do you know? Okay, so it's hard. So you need a lot of practice. You should begin with the easiest thing, which is how to search for stocks using stock screener when the stock is going up, and then when you are good at that, you go to advanced level, and then you go and see how to buy from support line or how to short the stock, which is more difficult. Okay. What things can cause you to lose money? You don't know how to trade. Okay? And there is probabilities thing. If you want how I make my money through the concept, it means how, you should see training level 5. Okay, training level 5, which is how to make money from stocks. I will give you the concept, because whenever you buy a stock, it's not that you have winner always. You have some losers also. This is part of the game. So you should accept this game in order to be in it. Yes. No. Nasdaq is asking a lot of questions, which is very good. He wants to know everything before maybe he becomes student. But for me, it's okay. I'm trying to explain as much as I can. But when Nasdaq asks me about details, I will not give details here. Yes, it could be. I have no idea. I have no idea what you are talking about. Every time when I buy a stock, I enter with minus. How to avoid that? What do you mean by you enter with a minus? What does it mean? I have no idea what you mean. No, he's trying. He's like trying to, let's say, to find a free strategy, and he can make money from it. But there is no free strategy. There is no. Oh no! It's not wise man. No, it's not. It's not that Nasdaq. Oh no! I am sorry, Nasdaq. Level 2 is a number, not the platform. Hey, Nasdaq, try to understand what I'm saying. There is level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. This is training. This is not level 2. with bids and asks. You are, I am sorry, you don't understand the training. Training level 2 is just the course number 2. Okay? Course. So I will write it here. Training. I will write it here, not that he understands, because I think he doesn't understand what I am writing. Level 2. Training level 2. I will just write it for him. One thing. Means course number 2. It is not level 2 platform used in day trading, because this guy he doesn't make the difference between what I am saying. So I wrote a sentence. Please, Nasdaq, I wrote for you a sentence. Please read it. Read it in order to understand what I'm saying. Training level 2 means course number 2. It's not the market in length with bids and asks. No, it's not that. I'm not doing day trading. It's not day trading. I am not having the market in depth, which is the bids and asks. I am not doing day trading here. So level 2, it means training course number 2. Like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 19. These are just number of courses. I should maybe change this level 2 because it makes people don't understand the thing. Okay. So hope Nasdaq will understand what I mean. Now, as I told you, how to search for stocks, it is a skill. You should learn this skill and practice in order to be good at it. It's not a theory. You should practice. I will show you the criteria. I will show you the criteria of selection. You study. Whenever you have confusion or a problem, you just send me an email. I will help you. Okay? I am always helping people day and night. Whenever they send me an email, either my students or not my student, when they send me an email, I will answer and I will explain as much as I can. Okay? So this is how I work. You talk about indexes in your videos, but you didn't give an example. No, I don't. In the index, you mean, for example, industry rotation? It's very easy. You find an index that is going up, another index going down. That's just, you go to any index, any industry, like a Dow Jones index. You see it. If it's going up, it's going up. If it's going down, it's going down. That's it. But I will not show you how to do it. How to do it is a training. Okay. Now, Chris Johnson said, "Hey Kareem, will you show us any live trades you have made?" Yes, Chris Johnson, I have made live the trade that I am in for 4 months right now, and you don't see it. I am still in a trade for 4 months. Did you check training level 7? You should do that because maybe training level 7 and the subscription. I don't know. I know that you order some training, but I don't know. Go to training level 7 or the subscription. You will find my live trading for 4 months, and I'm still in this trade. Okay? Or Chris Johnson, you can send me an email, and I will send you the link directly. At least you will know. Please send me an email, and I will explain more. Or you go to website and check. If you have already the training level 7, you will find the videos there. We have 16 videos about one trade. I'm still in. Okay? So this will make you understand what how to follow a stock, how to follow a trend in real live trade. Okay, so Chris Johnson, please send me an email or go to my website and check it. Nasdaq says, some stock charts look like a long line. Can they collapse any moment? Yes, they can collapse. When the mutual funds sell off, it will collapse. Okay? So, in my training, I will show you what to do in order not to be in trouble. Okay? This is what I teach. That's why you are asking all your questions. I can answer them by training. So, but I can't give you real information from my training for free. That's what I said many times. Okay? So, as I told you, searching for stocks is a skill. You should learn this skill. You shouldn't rely on people to send you stocks or to do subscription that send you only stocks, that doesn't teach you how to trade. Okay? So whatever you want to do to search for stocks, you should have a training that teaches you what are the criteria for sure. Because when you know this, you know how to trade, you will be doing it by yourself. And this is the good thing. You should be an independent trader. And this is what I do always. I don't want you to follow me for my subscription, for example, for 1 year or 2 or 3. No, it's just you understand how to search for stocks. That is the subscription. That's it. Okay? It's not a big deal. Now, so searching for stocks, some people they use indicators, some people they use subscription, some people they use newsletter, some they use famous websites, some they use gurus in TV or in YouTube or in another media. Okay? But all the people who are relying on other people will fail because they trade and they don't understand anything what they are doing. And this is the problem. For me, when I teach you what to do, but you should know why you do it. You can, for example, debate with me. I say, Kareem, why you do this? Why you do that? Why you do that? Okay, why you have this criteria? Why you don't have this criteria? So you can debate with me, and I will give you the answer. It means you will be confident in yourself that when you begin trading, you know what to do in any time. Okay, you don't rely on any person, and this is the good thing about what I offer as a training. I don't want you to be my subscriber for 20 years. No, okay. I just want you to understand. Even if you do my subscription, it teaches you how to search for stocks. It shows you live in each Friday. I do a search. I will tell you which stocks are good, which stocks are bad. I always do. Okay, you can follow and you can be a good trader. But this, what I show, is not stock picks. I don't ask you to buy these stocks. I just show you what to do in order to search. You do the same with another search next day, and you do better than me. Okay. Hey, Martin Miner, how are you? I can remember your ID in your YouTube ID. How are you? You come late, Martin Miner, because we have 1 hour 46 minutes. You should come earlier next time. So as I told you before, so before I forgot, I have this weekend, today and tomorrow, we have the 70% discount for the videos and 80% for videos. So it will be good for those who have not finished or they want to do. Now for ebooks we have 80%. Okay, 80%, just to make sure the people they know. I have announced it, but for ebooks, you have been busy, Martin Miner. Okay, no problem, no problem. That's why I put it late at night. Most of the time, or almost all the people Sunday night, most of the people are not working, or they are on weekend if they have or something. That's why I choose this time each week. Okay, so if I do Friday, maybe the people are working or they have to do something, so I can't. Hello, Nasa. I can't remember your ID again. Thank you very much for asking. I like your videos. I will buy some of your training starting with your monthly subscription in the future, inshallah. Okay, it's very good. So Nasa, today and tomorrow I have the 70% for videos percent of discount. Okay. Oh, congratulations, man! Congratulations. I will tell you. Some funny thing about marriage. I will tell you something. You can. Thank you very much. So, Martin Miner. I will speak about marriage. Okay, at least you will have an idea what the people have experienced. They say the first year is honey, the second year is onion, and the third year you get stuck. This is what the people they say. Hope this statement you understand. At least you understand since you are just got married. Congratulations, man, for being married, and it's a very good thing to get stabilized and have a family in the future and kids, and it's very good. Okay, this is part of the part of our life. Okay, so NASA, as I told you before, subscription you have 4 training for free, so you should not buy those if you are doing subscription. You shouldn't order 1, 2, 3, and 4 because they are included in the subscription. Okay, just to make sure. Thanks. I'm very okay. It's very good. At least you can begin your life. But don't remember what I say. Don't remember what I say about the statement they say about marriage, as I just told you. I can write it to you. Just it's just a funny thing, So they say what they say about marriage. Just I give you this statement. First year is honey. Second year is onion. And third year you get stuck. Okay, I just want to share you guys this statement and hope it just yes, subscription is a very good deal because at least you will have 4 training for free, and this is very good. At least you will get and there is also NASA. Try to remember, I have my live trade for 4 months. Try to see that. It's a very good thing, and it is live. It means I follow the stock and I show you how to do training level 7. Okay, so it's very good. Now okay, I will just give you for this statement, at least you know about it, which is very funny. Okay, and as I told you, searching is a skill. There is a way to do it when you take training and you begin to practice for many months, and then you will be seeing results because you understand how things work. Okay, Yes. See, Martin Miner, live. I have a live trade, and each when I follow it, each time there is a new move, I will show you what to do, and it's like for 4 months. It's from the 1st May until now. I'm still in. Okay, I don't know if it is big luck, but I have other trades that I can stay 2 months, 1 month, 2 weeks. It depends on in stock. But this is just miraculous. I don't know. It's 4 months. I'm still in, and I'm still making money from it until it stops giving money, and then I will exit. Oh no, Martin Miner, this is in my training. It's not in my videos. No. This is not on YouTube. This is in subscription and training level 7. You find the same videos about how to follow the trend, and these are live videos. Okay? It's in the subscription and in training level 7. You will find these videos. So they are not in YouTube. Okay? No, I don't put you on YouTube because I don't explain my training for free. So you know that. How many shares? Good questions. Now this is a secret. I don't give you how many shares because it's a private thing. But you try to think about yourself, because I'm teaching you. Think, if you want to buy a trade, how much you can spend, and then you can follow me and see what I am doing according to your means, according to your position. Don't follow me. My position will be big, and to know it or to know not to know it, it's not a big deal. Okay? So the most important thing that you should focus on, suppose that it is you that you bought this stock and you are following it. See how much you make from this, from 100 shares, 200 or 500, 1000 shares, whatever shares you have. Just follow how I do to the stock. Even if you buy 1 share, it's not important. What is important is to learn the skill of following stocks, because this, what I'm speaking today, how to search for stocks, is a skill. How to follow the stock, it is another skill. How to put stop loss, it is another skill. So all these are skills, trading skills, that you should learn and practice a lot in order to be good at it. It's not just theory and then you know how to do it. No, because the stocks change. They are not the same. When they go up, they are not the same. So you should know a way to do, one way to do for all the stocks. And believe me, it works. Now the proof it works, you can go to live trade, to my subscription, or to training level 7, and you see by yourself. When I do a video, I do it for that day. It means I don't know what will happen next week or next day. I don't know. So I'm telling you, always there is probabilities the stock will go up, will go down, always. So I don't predict. I just follow the information that the stock gives me, and I act on that. Okay? If I see there is something to do. If there is no, I will do nothing. Okay? And you will see that, and believe me, it's a great deal because it is live, and you understand the thing for true. Yes, a couple for a couple of thousands of dollars. Yes, for small account. Yes, for small position. I'm telling you, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. There is a lot of money if you find a stock like mine, and it goes your way, and you follow the trend, and you don't exit early. Believe me, you will make a lot of money from it. You don't need in the year. If you make a few trades that are excellent trades, that is excellent. Okay, you will have a good performance in each year if you follow the steps. Oh no, I have been for so long, so this time I will be selling everything, because when I sell, it means it is a decision to sell by stop loss. So I don't know, maybe I am shopping, and the morning the stock goes down and hit my stop loss. Okay, so I will take my profit. That's it. So I am not going to do like monthly stop loss. It means I will not do stop loss. No, stop loss is always there. That's why I told you to watch how I follow the trend. And this is, if you want the theory, you will find it in training level 7. How to follow an uptrend. It will show you the techniques in theory. I give you examples, but now I give a live example. At least when you see it, you understand. If you have questions, why you don't do this, why you don't do this, you can ask me an email. You send me an email and ask me in each video why you do this or why you do that, and I will explain why. This is a very good training and a very good thing. I have made before a session how to make thousands of dollars in each trade. If you want to, you can go to my live streams on YouTube. You can find that and you can watch this. Maybe 2 hours or 3 hours. I was speaking about that. Okay? Because you don't need to have a bigger account to make thousands of dollars. Okay? If you have $5,000 and the stock, let's say, moves 50%, you will get $2,500. So you have thousands of dollars of this trade. So it's not a big deal. Whenever you know how to trade, you can make money even if you have small account. So it's a very good thing. But you should follow all the training, not to follow one training and leave the other training because you miss other information and then you will not to do what to do. Okay, Nasdaq. I told you before, and I told other people, don't put stocks. So I will delete your, I will remove your thing, because don't put stops in the chat room. And I will not give you my opinion about them, because I don't give my opinion to stocks, because you should learn how to find the stocks and see them if they are good or bad. You should apply the criteria in any stock that you want. If I give you an example. If you want Facebook or Baba or Apple or any other stock, if you want to buy it on time, you should learn the criteria that I use in my training. That's it. It's very simple. Okay? But I don't want stocks to be in my chat room, because some people think that I say yes and they go and they buy them and then they go down. You say, oh, Kareem, you said us, oh, buy these stocks and they go down. No, I don't do that. Okay? I don't advise people what to buy. You should learn by yourself. You should be a man or a woman to do by yourself things that you should do by yourself. Okay? I will not lead you what to do, what to buy. You should learn the training. Okay? That's the good thing. Now I think we are at the end of the session. Please. We have 2 hours right now, and I have been speaking too much. Martin Miner, you say or you sell some. I have sold half of my shares before, because there is one gap or 2 or 3 gaps up. So I sold half of my shares at that time. Okay. Because I have a nice profit, but after that the profits goes more and more and more for the other half of shares. That's why I am staying. I'm staying until the stock stops giving money. You ask me why? How? There are techniques that I use, and I explain in order to do this. Okay. So how to search for stocks? It's a good subject, but it is a skill that you should master. So you need to master that skill. It is one skill, but there are other skills like how to follow the trend. It's another skill. So these are trading skills. Yes, most of the time, if there is a big gap up, let's say I'm trading like a few days, 1 week or two, and there is a big gap up and a lot of money, I sell my shares always all. It happens with Facebook. I have done it a lot with Facebook. One time I get $15 in 1 day. It means I bought before the earnings. Next day it goes $15 up. What should I do? In the morning I sold all my shares because it is a lot of money for me. Because I bought a lot of shares. I don't know, I will not tell you how many shares, but it is a lot of shares. So I don't want to risk to leave any dollar from what I got. Because after that, I was right at the time, because the stock goes down, and if I stayed, a lot of my profits will go. But sometimes I sell half when I see there is a momentum. I see that the stock is still giving me money. So I will stay. But when you see a big money, I sometimes sell all shares. Okay? But always with a stop loss. It means it's not a decision. It's a stop loss. Okay? Stop loss, it means you say to yourself, if the stock goes to this, I will sell and I take my profit. This is the stop loss. But understand when to exit the trade. You should know my techniques. It's not a normal stop loss that you put wherever and exit. No, you should know where you put it. That's why in live trading, you go there and you follow me from the videos. I have now 16 videos. The last video I made, I think yesterday or the other day, and I published it, and I think it is processed now, and you can watch it. So you should begin from the first video, and you watch, you take notes, watch, and then if you have questions, just ask me questions, send me an email, and I will answer you whatever. Hey Nasdaq, I told you don't put predictions here. If you think that Facebook will gap up, okay, buy yourself. But for us, no, we don't trade like this. It can have a gap down, and you can lose a lot of money also. Okay, so we don't predict here. You are predicting. Anyone can predict. If I ask you tomorrow, next Tuesday, the stock is going up or down. Some people say up, some people say down, and it could be one of the two. So what is the big deal here? Is this training? No, this is not how to search for stocks. If you follow this, you will be losing a lot of money. Oh, okay. I think your system is the easiest for a beginner, somebody who have... Yes, thank you very much. No, my system is based on price and simple things. That's why it can work. Other people who use indicators and they don't know what these strategies are, and they will just make a mess. Now, Martin Miner, you said, what is a gap up? A gap up is a jump in the price, either up when it is a gap up. For example, a stock today is $20. It closes as $20 today. Let's say there is earning news, and the company has announced that it made a lot of money in this quarter. Now this news, a lot of people after the market close, they buy the stock. Now on Tuesday, for example, the stock opens with $30 or $40. This is called gap up, because you see a candlestick, a green candlestick, a lot up, and you see it. If you don't get the clear explanation, Martin Miner, send me an email. I will send you a chart and it will show you exactly what it is. But it is very easy to know. It's just a jump of a price, either up when there is good news. Sometimes the earnings days become bad, and you see a red candlestick down, if you bought the stock at $20, you find it $15 next day. So this is called gap down. It happens in the market for some stocks, but not all stocks have gap up and gap down. Okay? So, as I told you, searching for stocks is a skill. You should take the training, you should learn the theory, and then begin to practice. Okay? Then begin to practice. Hey, Nasdaq, I'm telling you this. If you put another stock, I will block you, and that's it. Okay? So I told you don't put stocks, and you keep doing the same as if you don't understand what I'm saying. Stop putting stocks. Okay. Hello, we have a question from Chucks. Okay. He said, how many stocks you can buy? Now, how many stocks depends on your capital, on your money. If you have $50,000, you can buy, for example, 5 or 6 or 7, depending on you. But this, it has calculations. Okay, this information I have in training level 8, how to minimize stock, how to minimize risk and maximize profit. I will show you how to manage your account, because this is managing your account. This you will find all the information in training level 8. You can go to my website to check it, and then if you have a question, please send me an email. Here is the website and the email. Send me an email, and I will explain more, because it depends on how much money and how much risk you want. Okay? But if you have small account, 5,000 or 2,000, you can't buy that much. You can't buy a lot because you don't have that much money. Okay? So understand that. But this, we have calculations. When you go to training level 8, how to minimize risk and how to maximize profit, you will find how to do, which criteria. You have a lot of stocks or you have few. Which criteria? So I explain that into details, and I will give you examples, and then you understand very well. So you can go to my website, check training level 8. We have 80%, 70% discount for today and tomorrow. Or if you don't understand or you are confused, here is my email at the bottom of the chat room. You can take my email, send me an email, and then we can give you more thing. So if you own about 30 stocks, 30 stocks? Who tells you 30 stocks? I didn't say 30 stocks. It depends. But 30 stocks, you should have a bigger account. Now, see, in order to understand, you should take my training, because there are details. I will not give you details here. I will not explain my training for free. Understand that, Chucks, okay? You should understand that. This is a training. This is how to manage your account. Training level 8. You should go there, study it, and understand how to do it, and then you can do well, what is this schmuck that you always write? Nasdaq. First, before I answer, you put always schmuck. S-H-M-O-C-A. What's this schmuck that you always put? No, level 2 is just course number 2. I have written to you before. Course or lesson 2. This is what I mean. Course 2. Okay, or lesson 2. This is what I mean by okay, course number 2 or lesson number 2. This is what I mean by level 2. Okay? And tell me, what is this schmuck? S-H... I don't know what is this. They always write, but I have no idea what is it. Okay. no idea, so that's why I'm asking. Okay, so yes, 30 stocks. I don't know how much money you have in order to do. So in order to understand, there are some information, explanation that you should know before you do how many stocks. This is called position sizing. It's not easy. You should learn how to do it. And as I told you, this information I'm not giving for free. It means it is the whole explanation. So it's in the training. No problem. Yes. Some people I know, they charge a lot. Okay, and they don't show anything about the training or what is it, or the general thing, and they just keep it all secret. You know, it's their way of doing business. For me, I try to help as much as I can, because if I put it higher, like thousands of dollars, a lot of small traders, they will never take profit, take advantage of any training, because what they find later is only broker strategies or free strategies online. Hey, Nasdaq. I have gone to check. Schmuck is a bad word. Okay, I will delete your thing, and then if you continue using this word, I will try to ban you. That's it. Stop using bad words in the thing, because I don't know. I just go and check it. I find it bad. Okay, Nasdaq, try to be respectful. And I don't know, I check this word, it's a bad word. Okay, so please stop using this word, or I will just ban you. Okay, so NASA said at least 10x cheaper than the others trainers. Yes, it doesn't. You know, the people, they put the price they want. Okay, whatever is the price. It's like any training. Some they have more expensive, some more good. It's done. So Christopher says, "Hi Karim, may I know how much is the discounted price for complete package ebook training? I can't see it in the website." No. You see it. You see it. I will tell you. After you see training by ebooks, go down, you find one which is all the 10 ebooks, and it is 80%. You buy them all at the same time, and you find 80%. You just go to my homepage, and then you go to buying. You go to buying by ebook, and under it you find this. Or send me an email. I will send you the direct link when I finish with this training. I will send you the direct link. Send me an email. But you can find it. It's very easy. Just go under videos. You find the training by ebooks. Under that you find the first, having 10 ebooks. You buy the whole thing from 1 to 10, and then when you download 10 ebooks. Okay, Christopher, try just to see now. If you are confused, send me an email. I will send you the link directly. Or I can go right now. Let me see if I can go right now. And so let me go and check. I will send you right now the link, I guess. Okay, let's see. I will just go and grab you the thing directly, the link, and then you can check it. Okay. Here is the link, Christopher. Here is the link. Directly, you go to Gumroad, which is my provider, and you just. This is my link. Now I give you the link, and if you need more information, you can send me an email. There is no problem. But this is the link directly. If you click on it, you go to the and there is 80% discount. But videos, Christopher, before you order, the videos are 70%, and some people they like videos because they are interactive. Okay, so you can, for example, if you want, you can buy some that are video and some that are different, that are training, that are ebooks, if you want to. Okay, so you can send me an email. Or if you like videos, because they are also 70% discount, which is a very, very big discount. So that's why I'm just telling you, you do whatever you want. But this is just to tell you before you go and order, and then you find maybe videos are better, and they are more expensive than ebooks, but they are better. You know, videos with explanation, with sound is better than ebooks. So Christopher, try to do whatever you want. But if you are confused or you don't know what to do, but this is just my suggestion. Try to see the videos. Click on them because there is 70%. Okay, there is 70% for the video also discount. So maybe you get interested to buy some that are videos and others that are not videos, like ebooks, because they are the same. From training level 1 to training level 19, they are the same as ebooks and videos. But some people they like videos, some people they like ebooks. So whatever. Send me an email and wherever you have, ask question. Okay. So I'm still. We are at the end of this session. We are try just. Okay. We are at the end of this session. So if you have more questions about this skill, understand that each thing you want to do is a skill. A skill, what does it mean? It means you need to practice. Like, for example, someone who is, let's say, a surgeon, he's doing a doctor, he's doing a surgery for 20 years, and there is just someone who is new into the profession. You understand that someone who has experience, he knows a lot because he has done a lot of surgeries, and he knows a lot of information that the new guy, he doesn't. So the new guy or the new doctor or physician or whatever, he needs to practice, okay, to become better and better and better and to get reputation. Okay, so so searching for stocks is the same. So it is a skill. You should know to train yourself, to practice. If you, for example, if you want direct help, you can see my subscription. It has 4 training levels, and I will show you each week how to search, how to select stocks. At least you get a clear idea how it works in real. Okay, so thank you very much, Christopher. Thank you. I will read your email after we finish this session, and I will send you, if God wills, I will send you an answer. No problem. So as I told you, today's subject is very, very important, and if you rely on other people opinions, like newsletters, the subscriptions, when they don't teach you nothing, this is a real problem, because you follow someone but you will never know how he did it. He send you a stock and he say buy. What's the criteria? What's the strategy? How he finds these stocks? If he keeps if the trainer keeps his information for himself, what does it mean? It means you are learning nothing. He can stop his subscription and you don't know nothing. Okay, although you will be with him 1 year or 2 years or 3 years following him, but you don't learn nothing because you don't know the secret of his strategy. Now for me, all the secrets I know about how to trade, I transmit them for you. So you study, okay, and you study, you see the theory, you see the practice, and then you become a very good trader because you know everything about the strategy. And then if you have doubts, you are confused, you don't know what is it, so you just ask me an email, send me an email, and I will explain more and more with stock. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. So I will be waiting 1 minute or 2 and see if you guys, if you have more questions, and if not, I will be ending this session in 1 minute or 2. So please, if you have more questions, you can send me either an email, or you can just ask your question here, which is always very good to talk to you directly, like live. And someone of you guys has told me if you can make what we call a direct live for the subscribers only. This is a good idea, but right now I see that YouTube and YouTube Live and Google Hangout, they are not valid things right now. I don't know. So if you have ideas of better service that the people will be all together and it will be good, it will be very good thing to have videos for subscription only, and we talk only about training and explicit information for you guys. So if you have any ideas or better ways, maybe some of you are good one. Okay, good night, wise man, and good night for everybody. We are living all at the same time because I think there is no much questions, and we have talked, and it's very good that most of you guys have some information or some questions answered. And that's it for tonight. So hope to see you next week. Please, for those who have trading level 7 and the subscription, please watch video number 16. Kaya Vuma, thank you very much. Good night. You can watch training level 7 in videos or subscription. You will find my live trade. We are in lesson 16. We will continue. Thank you very much, Mark. Thank you very much, and have a blessed night. and you will find this new video if it is processed, and you continue watching the thing. And as I told you, the 70% discount and for videos, the 80% discount for video, you will find today, and it means today, Sunday, if you are going to complete your training. Thank you very much, Christopher. I will answer your questions after I finish this. Thank you very much, all you guys, and see you next week. But we stay in touch. If you have a question, don't wait until we have live thing. You can ask me any question at any time. You have my email and my website, and that's it. Thank you very much, and have a nice holiday for Monday, and hope the market will be better in next week and the other weeks. Thank you very much, and see you later.